Hello everyone, this is Matthew Woods with the Academic Success Center here at the College of St. Rose, and I just want to make a quick video to help you enter in your answers into Maplesoft. So this will help you during your math placement test. Now, this is going to help you enter in what we call exact answers. Exact answers are answers that are in the form of an expression, a fraction, a radical, a trig function like sine, cosine, or tangent, or a logarithmic function, so log or natural log. And I'm going to show you how to enter in all of those. So we're going to start with an exponent. So this is the first question I have here. Enter in the term x squared plus 2. Well, in order to enter in an exponent, here's the exponent button. So I'm going to click that, backspace out the a, and replace it with what I want. In this case it's x. And now backspace out the b, enter in what I want. Since it's x squared, I want 2. I'm all done with this, with using the exponent thing, so I'm going to hit the right arrow key on the keyboard. The right arrow key gets you out of everything, all the special characters that we're going to be using. And then it wants plus 2. Alright, next question here. Enter the expression 4 divided by x plus 7. Well, I'm going to need a fraction to represent this, so here's my fraction button, right here. And same as before, I'm going to backspace out what I don't want, enter in what I do want. And then I do the same thing for the b. Backspace out what I don't want, or type what I do want. All done with the fraction, I hit the right arrow key. Plus 7. Alright, so this is going to involve the square root sign. Square root of x minus 2. So here's the radical sign. I backspace the a and enter in what I want. So this wants just x. I'm all done with the square root sign. I hit the right arrow. Minus 2. And then next to it, it wants me to write the square root of x minus 2. So I need this again. Backspace out the a. Replace it with what I want. X minus 2. And then I can hit the right arrow key. Alright, so this is just to show you the difference in what they look like. Wherever I want, once I'm done with whatever's under the radical sign, I hit the right arrow key. Alright, now this question covers sine, log, and natural log, and all that stuff. Now, as you can see up here though, there's not really a button that does any of the trigonometric functions, or the logarithms, or things like that. But, all I need to do is just actually type it in. So if I wanted the sine of a, sine is sin, and in parentheses, I type what I want to take the sine of. Likewise, if I want to do the log, log is log, and in parentheses, I put in what I want to take the log of. Now, as you'll notice, when I first start typing, it's italicized. But once I have an actual mathematical expression like the natural log here, the italics go away. Now, it doesn't matter if you put the parentheses in straight away or if you do a space before the parentheses. As long as your thing is in parentheses, it'll be able to, the computer will be able to tell what you're taking the natural log of. And then my last thing is log with a base of 2 of a. This is going to require a subscript, so I'm going to need this for subscripts. And like before, I backspace the a. I want log. I backspace the b. I want 2. I'm all done with that, so I hit the right arrow key. In parentheses, I put, a. Write the term 6 times I, which is the square root of -1, times 8 times pi. Alright, well 6 is easy. I'm just going to type 6. Here's all my operators. Times. I can either type the letter I, or I can go into here, which is the special characters, and there it is right there. Also for times, I can use the asterisk symbol on my keyboard. 8 times, and pi is another special character. So under here you have pi, e, I, and infinity. And the last question here. Who should you contact if you have questions about the math placement test? So that basically goes over all the types of questions that you might have to enter in for. If you have questions, here's my name, here's my phone number, and here's my email address. Please do not hesitate to get a hold of me. I wish you good luck on your math placement test, and we'll hear from you soon. Bye-bye.